Hello, Alaska. Ben Linford here with Linford of Alaska Wholesale Foods. We're celebrating 50 years with the greatest hits tour of great Alaskan restaurants and recipes. Today I'm at the Marx Bros Cafe with Van, part of the dynamic duo of Jackamon and Van, who've been making great food in Anchorage for a good long time.
43 years. We first started off the Jade Room back in the 70s.
Where's the Jade Room at?
Where the Marriott Hotel is now, which we actually opened Alaska Day of '79. This is my 62nd year in the restaurant business. I started with my dad when I was 13 in San Diego.
So tell us a little bit more about that signature dish, the Caesar salad.
And the whole point of a Caesar salad is that it's made in front of you fresh. I start off with, I scored the garlic, went 3/4 of the way through the clove, then I take and I mash down with a fork to make a paste. Then I add 3 fillets of anchovies, which I make a paste with the garlic, mix that into the bowl. I think a wood bowl is real important because that bowl gives me flavors back to my salad. Then I add a coddled egg, which is an egg that's been dipped in boiling water for 30 seconds. It just basically starts to cook the egg. Then I use juice of a half a lemon, and that really cooks the egg. It looks like a hollandaise.
As a naive chef at home, take an egg and not coddle it and do it, it makes a difference.
It just helps to start the... You could take it out of the refrigerator and add it, but it just...
It's a little bit of the secret sauce, huh?
Yeah, I think. That and then the olive oil, just a tad bit of balsamic. You know, I achieve my acidity from the lemon, not from the vinegar itself. And then the Reggiano Parmigiano, romaine, and then the croutons tossed, and then a little romaine on top of the salad. And the wine that I like to complement with my salad is a Fetzer Gewürztraminer.
Pre-order the Greatest Hits cookbook now and bring Alaska's most iconic recipes into your home.